Shaddai, Lord God Almighty, you are our deliverer. Overcome our enemies and release over us the sounds of your great victory. By your sovereign right hand, establish your rule over us and over our territory. Let your kingdom come. A shoot will come up from the stems of Jesse. From his roots, a branch will bear fruit. The Spirit of the Lord will rest on him, the Spirit of wisdom and of understanding, the Spirit of counsel and of power, the Spirit of knowledge and of the fear of the Lord. And he will delight in the fear of the Lord. He will not judge by what he sees with his eyes, or decide by what he hears with his ears, but with righteousness he will judge the needy. With justice he will give decisions for the poor of the earth. He will strike the earth with the rod of his mouth. With the breath of his lips he will slay the weak. Righteousness will be his belt, and faithfulness the shasha around his waist. In that day you will say, I will praise you, O Lord. Although you were angry with me, your anger has turned away, and you have comforted me. Surely God is my salvation. I'll trust and not be afraid. The Lord is my strength and my song. He has become my salvation. With joy you will draw water from the wealth of salvation. In that day you will say, give thanks to the Lord. Call on his name. Make known among the nations what he has done, and proclaim his name is exalted. Sing to the Lord, for he has done glorious things. Let this be known to all the world. Shout aloud and sing for joy, people of Zion, for great is the Holy One of Israel among you.